All right, folks, what do we got here? We got the Multi-Sluice. And we know this guy here comes out. What we got is an upgrade. We got, put a little clamp up there. We got the new 8-inch combo mat. We got the micro, Cape D, and the mini. So now you can basically bring your cons in, run it across this mat. And then we got our new 8-inch micro mat that you will put in after you concentrate all your cons. So let's say like you bring 2 5-gallon buckets or a 5-gallon bucket of dredge cons to this thing, and you strip it off, and you get most of your free gold up there, and nothing's going to get away. You know you're going to have good retention. Even though you retain some black sands, you're not going to lose your fine gold or your big gold. So anyways, run your material, you're going to cut it down, you're going to take the cons from this, and you're going to finish over the top of this mat. So this is ever since I created the mini mat in 8x36, a lot of people have been using that in the Multi-Sluice and they love it. But they've been asking for this system for a while. So as customers ask more and more, we basically take the time to develop the product. And here we are, finally letting you guys know we now have the combo mat in the 8-inch. We have the micro mat in the 8-inch. Well, this is the first one, so it's going to take us a couple weeks to get some inventory going, but we'll get them to you. So here we are, new products. We're going to offer these for sale individually, and of course we're going to have a sale price where you save a little bit more in the bundle. And the clamp will come with it. Just a little clamp that we put in there to help clamp it down, and you're good to go. All right, guys. Well, I appreciate you requesting this product to the point where we had to do something about it. So thanks, DreamHat fans, for letting us know what you guys need out in the field and what you guys would love to have out in the field. Awesome.